Come on, let's eat appetizer. This is one of my favorite appetizer here. Eating appetizer, really good. Ang sarap talaga ng appetizer nila dito, guys. I love this appetizer.
Reminds me of tortas tacos.
I hope in the Philippines they have like this.
I doubt it. Not like
We
this.
start eating of appetizer. Ang crunchy talaga ng appetizer na ito. This is so good. I love it. I really enjoy eating this kind of appetizer. You should come and try the appetizer at Chile Restaurant. So good. I love you, kids.
You know, Mom, when you told me about Road 65 closing, I really just wanted to show Dad how good it was.
Every time we ate here at Chile Restaurant, ito talaga in-order namin na appetizer kasi ang sobrang sarap. Ang daming laman at saka very creamy. Hi there. Happy birthday! Well, ang sarap talaga niya. Sana masubukan niyo. Let's try! Come on guys, let's eat. Join us. Bye!